Day 3. Let's crack into it. So, oh, sorry, Autumn. Okay, day number 3. What's gonna be inside? I'm just too excited for this. This poop. This is poop. Tiff's one of the easier ones to open, but look, it's just like my old dog Ralphie. Kind of looks like Freya, actually. Like mixed with my old dog. It looks like you, baby. I mean, this is absolutely adorable. I love that it's got the little poops. The little poops and then the little spade. Right? Like, the spade can go in here. My God. It's a poop spade holder. It's like a poop station. Oh my God. Wait. Come on. Oh, hang on. The snowball might. No, that's okay. But that was what was in day 3. Let's see what tomorrow brings.